as you scurry around after work and do your shopping, or certainly on Saturdays when you're doing your shopping, why don't you stop at a greenhouse, one of your local greenhouses, and take a look around at all the new plants and the exciting things that are going on there. Certainly you ought to be picking some plants up. If you're really into them, you'll want to put some cool season crops out. And in the vegetable line, we're talking about all the cool crops like broccoli and cabbage, the Chinese cabbage, and even lettuce transplants are available now from greenhouses. As far as the flowers are concerned, you've got dianthus, you've got the pansies, the little Johnny jump-ups, and the petunias are basically a cool season plant too. They can go in around the middle of April. So think in terms of buying those things, but also look around for, well, after the 1st of May when you're wanting to put your warm season crops out. Now you're going to find all kinds of containers in the greenhouse, and you need to know what you want. If you're putting a container plant on a patio and you want a large plant to start out with, you may want to start with one of these plants that's in a 3 or 4 inch pot. Certainly the peat pots work very well. You can see here you're getting a large plant right now, and they've got about 3 or 4 more weeks in the greenhouse here. So by the time you get them, they'll be quite well developed. On the other hand, you can get 6-packs or 4-packs of plants. Those will be smaller, but with a little transplant fertilizer, they'll get a real good start also. The peat pots, of course, you want to break away the top edge so that you won't have any suctioning of the water off and drying out of the plant itself. I'm Mary Whit, Extension Horticulturist, UK College of Agriculture for 18 News.